In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Gamma to Claude AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up Claude AI in a new browser. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, once you've signed into our account, we need to click on the Customize button. It's near the top left-hand corner of the page. Now, to the right of that, we want to go ahead and click on Connect Your Apps. Now, from here, under Connectors, do a search for Gamma. Now we need to click on the plus icon. This is going to, you can create presentation, docs, socials, and sites with AI. So this is fully interactive. So now we need to grant access to Gamma. So go ahead and sign in with your account from here. And then on the next page, it should say successfully connected Gamma to Claude. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account like so. Now we might need to authorize some things here. So I'm going to allow these permissions. Now it's going to authenticate. Now, once you've connected it, we'll come back to Claude, as I said, and to the right, it's going to say connected to Gamma on the top right-hand corner of the page.